How do I get started with remote work? That's the question I keep getting on every single one of my videos. So today I'm answering it step by step. I'll be breaking down exactly how to get started with remote jobs in 2026, even if you have zero experience right now. I'm talking about the skills you need, where to get free training, and the exact first steps to take. I'm already excited about this. Your first step will be to pick one remote skill to start with. Listen, the biggest mistake most people make is trying to learn everything at once. You can't be a virtual assistant, a content writer, and a social media manager all at the same time when you're just starting. Pick one skill based on what you're naturally good at or interested in. Here are some of the easiest remote work skills to start with in 2026. Virtual assistant. If you're organized and good with emails and scheduling, this will be your domain. Choose social media management. If you already spend time on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Choose content writing. If you can write clearly in English. And then choose customer support if you're patient and good at solving problems. Go to data entry if you're detail-oriented and comfortable with spreadsheets. Pick one. Write it down. That's your focus for the next 30 to 60 days. Don't jump around and waste your energy. No. Now, here is where most people get stuck. They don't know where to learn these skills. Your next step will be to get free training. You don't need to pay thousands. You don't need expensive courses to learn remote work skills. There are free training everywhere if you know where to look. Here is where to start. For virtual assistants, go to YouTube and search how to become a virtual assistant and watch the top 5 videos. For free course, check Fully Booked VA. The address is fullybookedva.com. They have free resources on their website. Then join Facebook groups like Virtual Assistant Service to learn from others. If you're in social media management, check Hotspot Academy. It offers a free social media certification. Check YouTube channels like Aurelius Jink and Paige Bruton. I am sure I murdered one of those names. They have full tutorials. Then practice by managing your own social media account first. The only way you know you've mastered the skill is to produce results with your own account first. Then use that as a testimonial in talking to clients. For content writing, check Coursera. Writing for the web, that is the course. And then on YouTube, search copywriting for beginners or how to write blog posts. Read blogs in your niche and study how they write. For customer support, go to allison.com. They have free customer service courses. Then on YouTube, search customer support training. Then practice by helping friends or family solve problems online. For data entry, check YouTube, search Microsoft Excel for beginners or Google Sheets tutorial. Check free courses on Coursera and edX. Listen, spend 1 to 2 hours every day for 30 days learning your chosen skill. That's it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be good enough to start. And here's what you do next. Build proof. Even if you have zero experience, no one is going to hire you if you can't show you can do the work. But here is the secret. You don't need paid experience to build proof. This is how you can do it. Offer free work just 2 or 3 times. Find 2 to 3 small businesses, startups, or content creators who need help. Reach out on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter and say something like this: I'm building my portfolio as a virtual assistant. Can I help you with managing your calendar for free in exchange for testimonial? Then do a great job when you have that opportunity, and then ask for a written testimonial and screenshot the results. The second way to do it is to create sample work. As a virtual assistant, create a sample client onboarding document or email template. As a social media manager, create 10 sample posts for a fake business and post them on your own page. As a content writer, write 3 sample blog posts and publish them on Medium or LinkedIn. As a customer support, write sample email responses to common customer questions. The third way is to build a simple portfolio. Use free tools like Google Sites, Notion, or Canva to create a 1-page portfolio. Include your skill, sample work, testimonials, and how to contact you. This should take you 2 to 4 weeks, that's all. Now you have proof you can show to paying clients. And here's the final step. Start applying. And here's where to find remote jobs as a beginner. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, People Per Hour, remote job sites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, Flex Jobs, Working Nomads. Indeed, there are so many of them. Just Google them. Then do direct outreach. This one works faster. Find 20 small businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn who need your skill. Send them a personalized message. Hi, I'm Austin. I notice your post is good, but can be better with good formatting. I'm a social media manager, and I would love to help you format your post better to resonate with your clients. Can we chat? Follow up if they don't respond in 3 days. Now listen. To hasten your success, apply to 5 to 10 jobs every day. Customize what you say for each job. Don't just copy and paste. Be patient. It might take 20 to 50 applications before you get your first yes. Your first job might pay $50, $100 or $200. That's okay. Take it. Your emphasis here is not on the money, but on building your portfolio first. Do a great job. Don't play with that opportunity. Then ask for a review, and then use that review to charge more for your next client. Here is the truth. Getting started with remote job is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Pick one skill, learn it for 30 days, build proof, start applying. That's it. Most people never start because they are waiting to feel ready. But being ready and perfect comes by doing the work. So start taking action now. If this helps you, help me like this video and share it with your friends. You never know who you'll be helping. Subscribe to keep getting career advice that actually work. Drop a comment telling me which skill you're going to focus on this year. Now, here is something I need you to take note of. You can have all these skills, but if your CV is not formatted the way remote recruiters expect, you will get rejected before anyone even sees your qualifications. I made this video breaking down exactly how to write a CV that remote employers actually respond to. Don't let a bad CV cost you the job. Go watch it right now. and I wish you all the best.